Grabe, hindi pantay yung kilay ko dahil sa ginawa kong yun. Medyo nagsisisi ako, and agad-agad nagsisisi. Nagsa-start pa lang yung vlog. Baka sabihin nyo pag nabili nyo, ay kaya pala mura kasi ang liit lang. Guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup video, and it's been a while since my last makeup vlog. I think nagsa-start pa lang in 2021 nung in-upload ko yon, and now patapos na nga yung 2021. So, since hindi ako masyadong gumagawa ng makeup contents, whenever I do, you guys should know that grabe, impressed talaga ako sa product na to, kaya ako siya vlog. So, today we are going to talk about kilay because I'm going to review Sace Lady's Tinted Brow Gel. So, I got them in two shades. I have it in number 2 and number 3. Number 2 is dark brown and number 3 is black brown. To be honest, medyo nagsisisi ako, and agad-agad nagsisisi. Nagsa-start pa lang yung vlog. Well, nagsisisi lang ako sa shades na pinili ko. Too dark for me si brown, black. So, sana nag 1 and 2 shade na lang ako. Nag light brown na lang ako and dark brown. But again, depende naman sa inyo kung ano yung preferred nyo na kulay ng kilay nyo. By the way, itong nasa kilay ko ngayon is itong si number 2. Later on, magpapakita ako ng clip kung how I do my kilay and kung paano ko ginamit si Sace Lady, kung gaano karami yung nilagay ko, paano ko ginamit yung mga applicator niya, all those things, papakita ko later. Also, kung paano ko pinrep yung skin ko. Some of the products I use to prep my skin before I do my makeup, I'm gonna show you guys. Then, let's go ahead and do the review. Ito siya. Ito siya nung dumating sa akin. So, ayan, meron siyang box. Yung box niya, parang box ng lipstick, and it's black and gold, very elegant. And then, makikita mo rin dito yung mga details, how to use it, ingredients. And then, meron din siyang applicator. Yung other end niya is a spoolie. And then, yung other end niya naman, brush applicator. Guys, sorry kung medyo overexposed. Hindi ko kontrolado yung ilaw kasi I'm shooting in natural light. Medyo nakatutok ako ngayon sa bintana. Because kapag makeup, as much as I can, gusto ko talaga natural light ko ipapakita sa inyo para mas makita nyo ng maayos yung swatches. Yan, so medyo pinapawisan din ako. Another thing that's in the box is, ito may mga libre silang parang panghulma. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-shape ng kilay mo, ganon, pwede mo tong gamitin. So, these are free. Ayan, I think tatanggalin mo lang to. And then yun, pwede mong hulmahin yung kilay mo. Pero ako kasi hindi ko na ginamit, kaya naka-plastic pa. And the reason pala why I'm reviewing this product is because I've been using the same eyebrow product since, I don't know, 2014 or 15, ganyan. And wala lang, I want a change. Parang gusto ko lang magpalit ng makeup product, lalo na yung sa kilay. Yun lang, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Now, let's check out the swatches. So, hindi tayo makakapag-swatch party because I don't have all 6. But I'm going to show you the 2 that I have. Itong bottle niya, ayan, ganyan lang siya kaliit. Baka sabihin nyo, pag nabili nyo, ay, kaya pala mura kasi ang liit lang. Guys, ang grabe. Mamaya, pag nakita nyo yung paggawa ko ng kilay ko, malalaman nyo na ito lang yung kailangan nyo. So, itong ganito, kahit maliit lang siya, it will last you half a year or even more pa. And syempre, ngayon, lagi tayong naka-face mask. It's the new normal. Very important talaga yung makeup natin dito, diba? So, ako, very particular ako sa kilay and sa lashes. Yan, kaya naka-lash extensions tayo. And, yan, naka-contact lens din. It is 6 ml and then pump siya. show you guys how I do my kilay. And this is my kilay na not really bare because as I've mentioned, nagpa 7D eyebrow embroidery ako. Medyo nag-light siya kasi it's been several months. And also, syempre, tuwing nagfa-foundation ka, natatakpan siya. So, nagla-light talaga siya. Kailangan mo pa rin siyang lagyan ng brow makeup. Well, for me, it's better than wala kasi yung kilay ko talaga sobrang nipis siya. And I like it kasi it doesn't look like a tattoo. I prep my skin using this toner. It's the Eccentric Aloe Soothing Toner, Korean skincare brand. And ayan o, more than half na yung nagamit ko. I really love products na may aloe. And then, I use this serum because I use this twice a day, day and night. This is the sunblock that I use after. It's the Anew Fairness Day Cream. I actually did a separate video. Ni-review ko tong dalawang to. For makeup naman, I use this as the concealer. It's the Revlon Candid. And yung katerno nito na foundation yung ginamit ko. Ayan. Sinisimot ko na lang siya, ang lala. Lastly, ginamitan ko lang nitong Nature Republic na aloe vera pang miss para hindi matte na matte or powdery yung effect. This is a Hazel King. Made me buy it. 59 or 54 pesos lang to, tapos 3 na yung laman.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of
ito yung nilagay ko and I think sobra-sobra na to.
She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah,
Kita nyo, sobrang tinted niya. So, unahin natin yung dulo kasi sa dulo, okay lang kahit sobrang tinted.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
And then I use this para i-fade ko yung sa dulo. Tapos we're gonna brush again. Para lang naka-brow kara yung sa dulo. So you see the difference. So this one, ito yung ginamitan natin ng brush. Parang nag-drawing talaga ako dito. Hanggang dito siguro sa kalahatan nag-drawing ako. And then dito naman, outer na lang. And then kinalat ko na lang sa parang spoolie. Now, iba siguro yung technique na gagawin natin dito para mapakita lang sa inyo. So, if you prefer this kilay, yung parang mas pin-brush lang yung hair nyo. Tapos, ito naman yung kung gusto mong mas solid. Like, if you have manipis na kilay like me, ayan, mas gusto natin yung mas solid. So, ito yon. And then, if you want naman the bushy brow na kilay, ito siya. Although, I can't really do it to my kilay kasi manipis lang yung kilay ko. Hindi ko siya magawa in full effect. Grabe! Hindi pantay yung kilay ko dahil sa ginawa kong yun. So, pantayin natin para naman sa aking video thumbnail. Pag nag-picture ako mamaya, medyo pareho naman yung utsura ng kilay ko. Okay guys, look. Ang dami pang natira. Halos hindi nabawasan. Naka-3 dip lang ako all in all, I think. And that's it for our Sace Lady Tinted Brow Gel review. Overall, I really love it. Ang naging problema ko lang sa kanya is yun nga, ang hirap alisin nito, lalo na waterproof siya, diba? Eh, syempre, pag magme-makeup ka, ipakmampo mo na dito and then i-apply mo sa kilay mo. So, I wish they have that stainless plate kung saan pwede kang mix ng makeup mo. Di ba may ganun for concealers and for foundation? If you have questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa.